this program was first introduced in January of 2017. I find teachers to be very, very motivated. At first, they were a little bit reluctant, but when they got into it, as the program evolved over the years, they are really excited about it. Generally, we find that across the board, we have had a lot of struggling students, reliteracy. The ELP has brought new enthusiasm and motivation. The students are now accepting more responsibility for their learning because they are always engaged, and so definitely we are seeing more interest both from teachers and students. One of the areas that I particularly would like to highlight is the fact that we have teachers paying more emphasis on the teaching of comprehension skills. Because sometimes we can have excellent readers, but they do not understand what they would have read, and they do not possess problem-solving skills. And so that's one of the things I really liked about the ELP. I want to specify the aspect of differentiation. Before the rollout of ELP, teachers found it very difficult to work with small grouping in the same classroom, and somehow that has changed, and I think it's because of the new drive and the support as well. The support that we got from the ELP coordinators was instrumental in helping teachers to gain that confidence.
As a teacher over the years, I began to realize that the students were at different levels and one size couldn't fit all. So because of that, the ELP introduced that differentiation learning, and we bravely embraced it. And we were thankful because we saw our students exploring and enjoying books.
The interaction with myself and the teacher have grown as a family that bonded. Yeah? As time go by, I might drop off, I might call, find out, how the child progressing, how the day going. The early learning program has impacted a lot on my children's life.
One of the things I would say is that I'm looking forward to the long-term impact. It is still new. We do not have the first batch yet out of the primary system, and so I'm looking forward to the day when we have 100% of our students reading at the early stages as a result of this initiative.